Last video, we learned how to solve these bottom corners. The next step will be to solve these middle edges here. So, there are two algorithms for this step, and the algorithms are very similar to each other though. Alright, so I will show you what the algorithms are later. So what you're going to do for this step is look along the top layer for any side pieces that do not have yellow on them. So I see that this one here, it does not have yellow on it, so I can use it. So I'm going to look on the color that is not on the top face, which is orange in my case, and I'm going to turn the top layer till it is lined up with its center like that. Then, once it is lined up with the center, I'm going to have to judge whether it needs to go to the right or to the left. How you can tell this is by looking at the color on the top and seeing to which side the matching colored center is. So I see this is green. I see the green center is to the left, so I have to move this to the left. So once you have it lined up, you're going to hold the cube so that that side that you just paired up is at the front. Now the two algorithms for this are to move a side cube to the left and a top side cube to the right. So the one to move one to the left is, while holding the cube so that that side you just paired up is at the front, U prime, L prime, U, L, F prime, L, F, L prime. And the side will be down where it needs to go. Now, I'm going to find the next one right here. This one is the blue, so I'm going to line up the blue with its center. I see it needs to go to the left, so I'm going to do that algorithm again. U prime, L prime, U, L, F prime, L, F, L prime. Now, I just paired up this one, and I see that it needs to go to the right. Now, the algorithm to move a side cube to the right is, while holding the cube so that that side you just paired up is at the front, the algorithm is U, R, U prime, R prime, F, R prime, F, R, or F prime R. Now sometimes you will look along the top layer and notice that there are no side cubies in the top layer that do not have yellow on them. Okay? So, if you have a case like this, that means they all must be in the middle layer. So this case is very similar to the one where you have no corners in the top layer that you need to move down to the bottom. So, what you're simply going to do is you're going to find a side in the middle layer that is not in the right place or isn't solved, and you're going to hold the cube so that side is either to the right or to the left. If you choose to hold the cube so that side is to the left, you'll have to do the algorithm to move a side cubie from the top layer to the left to get it into the top layer so that then you can solve it. If you choose to hold it to the right, that cube to the right, you will need to do the algorithm to move a cube to the right to get it into the top layer. So I'll give you an example here. This one here is not solved. Right? So I'm going to hold the cube. I decide to hold the cube so that that cubie is to the right. And since it's to the right, I have to do the algorithm to move a side cubie from the top layer to the right. So I'm going to do U, R, U prime, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R. Now it's in the top layer. So I can pair it up with the side. See, it needs to go to the right. So if you've done the step correctly, your cube should look something like this. The white face should be done, with these first two layers done. I congratulate you if you've made it up to here with no problems. So, what you're going to do now is you're going to go watch the rest of my videos and subscribe. If you're interested in learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube, you can watch the rest of my videos. If not, watch them anyway. So, till next time, I'll be seeing you.